Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to clip part. Now tap on voice typing and select this gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, just go back to your keyboard. As you can see, microphone icon is now visible at the top right corner. In order to start typing, click on it. If you never used this option before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then start talking. If you wish to stop, just tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!